future of agriculture, where intelligence cultivates growth, KisanYodha AI introduces a fully autonomous ecosystem for precision farming. Our AI-powered drones launch from solar towers, scanning crops with multispectral sensors for health, moisture, and nutrients. Synced with satellite mapping, this system offers a precise, data-rich view of farms, enabling smarter decisions, timely actions, and improved yields. Integrated with orbiting satellites and ground-based IoT devices, we capture real-time data on soil health, moisture levels, and crop vitality. Our advanced AI dashboard processes this vast information, delivering holographic insights into yield predictions and pest alerts. Beyond the field, KisanYodha AI decodes complex market trends, providing precise price forecasts and demand analytics. This empowers agribusinesses with unparalleled foresight. Witness technology and nature in perfect harmony, empowering farmers like never before. TerraSense AI. Grow smarter, yield more.